Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Today we're checking out the new Vivo X Fold 6, a foldable phone that brings upgrades to both its hardware and software, with special attention given to the new color options and improved sealing. Before we begin, it's important to mention that this is a pre-release testing unit, so in this video we'll mainly focus on the design and the latest features.
A quick shout to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Starting with the box, Vivo has gone for a premium presentation. The packaging features a leather-like texture combined with a 3D printed finish, along with the signature top and bottom lid design. Inside, the phone is placed securely in a plastic tray, and all the accessories are neatly packed underneath. You get a charger with a USB Type-C interface that supports up to 100-watt fast charging with a maximum output of 20V by 5A, along with a high-voltage charging cable capable of supporting up to 9.2 amp-hours. If this is your first foldable smartphone, make sure you read the precaution guide placed on top before using it. Those instructions are there to help protect the large folding display. Now let's remove the protective cover and take our first look at the screen. Turning the phone over, we're greeted by the brand new blue hole color option. It has a clean black and white inspired theme that looks very elegant. Under different lighting conditions, you can see a subtle gradient effect, while the AG frosted finish gives it a comfortable and premium feel in the hand. Even the bright Vivo logo stands out with a slight three-dimensional appearance when viewed from different angles. Now let's take a closer look at the camera system. Vivo continues with its minimalist circular camera layout, matching the design language of its flagship devices. The module houses a triple camera setup featuring an extra-large primary sensor along with a periscope telephoto camera. Even though this is a foldable phone, long-distance photography won't be an issue. This generation also introduces some brand new camera features that we'll cover in more detail later, including capabilities that make it especially useful for capturing concerts. Looking at the side profile, you'll notice the camera bump is a little more noticeable. Since the phone itself is extremely thin, the lens module naturally protrudes a bit further. Overall, the back has a two-level layered design. Around the camera module, you'll also find engraved branding, including the Zeiss logo in the center, along with the T-Star Durex marking. Moving around the frame, the X Fold 6 uses a full metal construction while still maintaining a remarkably thin profile. On the left side, you'll find 3 antenna bands, 4 across the top, another 3 on the right, and 4 more along the bottom edge. In terms of controls, there's a dedicated one-touch function switch positioned on the upper left side. On the right are the standard volume buttons, along with the power button, which also doubles as the fingerprint scanner. At the bottom, you'll find the USB Type-C port, while both the front and rear panels sit nearly flush with the frame, highlighting just how slim this foldable really is. The SIM card tray is also located on the bottom. Now that we've gone over the exterior, it's time to fold the phone. 3, 2, 1. Listen carefully to that closing sound. Some of you might be wondering why that's important. The sound actually tells us something about the hinge mechanism and how tightly the phone closes. If you place a microphone close to it and listen a few times, you can really notice the consistency. After folding and unfolding it several times, let's check how well the crease is controlled. 3, 2, 1. Open. This should give us a good idea of how the display might look after regular day-to-day use. Right now, we're viewing it directly under strong lighting. When the screen is turned on and you're looking at it normally, the crease is barely noticeable. However, if you tilt it toward the light at a certain angle, you can still spot the crease running through the center. Finally, let's pay attention to some of the finer details around the frame. Vivo has clearly put a lot of effort into the overall symmetry. The antenna bands line up perfectly on both sides, while the microphone openings and speaker grills are also mirrored front and back. Looking at the side, you'll notice the 3 antenna bands are arranged symmetrically as well. The same goes for the 2 antenna sections along the bottom. Even the tiny pinholes for the SIM tray and microphone are positioned with matching symmetry. The frosted metal frame also feels great in the hand, providing a comfortable grip with a bit of extra resistance against slipping. Looking at the front, both the inner and outer displays feature generously rounded corners. From the front view and the back view, you can see that Vivo has maintained the same rounded corners design inside and outside, giving the phone the appearance of a slightly thicker traditional flagship smartphone when folded. To wrap up the hardware tour, let's take a look at the included case. This is the official case that comes in the box. It has a clean, understated look with a professional business-style design. It's a semi-enclosed case featuring a raised frame design that offers additional protection around the edges. And don't leave just yet. We've only finished looking at the exterior. There's still plenty more to explore.
This time, there's also an exciting hardware upgrade. Yes, the Vivo X Fold 6 now supports external teleconverters. Let's start by taking a look at the included protective case. Its overall structure remains similar to the standard version, but the texture has been enhanced with several metal adapter rings, giving it a much more premium feel. Using it almost feels like mounting a lens adapter on a professional camera. Simply press the release switch, rotate the ring, remove it, attach the new one, twist it back into place, and once you hear the click, the installation is complete. The metal construction feels very solid, and the silver diamond pattern finish adds a premium touch. It's designed much like Vivo's previously released Zeiss-certified high-performance teleconverters, including the 2.35x and 400mm versions. Installing the teleconverter couldn't be easier. Just align it, rotate it into place, and you're ready to start shooting. Whether you're photographing birds or distant subjects, it feels almost like changing lenses on a real camera. Attach it, twist it, and you're good to go. We've always wanted a smartphone that combines flagship-level performance, professional photography, a large display, and easy portability. A foldable phone paired with an external lens gets surprisingly close to achieving exactly that. And the best part is that even during everyday use, you don't have to keep swapping cases over and over. Simply install it once and you're set. Now let's power on the display. Right away, the startup animation feels incredibly smooth. This is the new OriginOS 6, and one of the first things you'll notice is the excellent screen-to-body ratio. All 4 corners are evenly rounded, while the front camera uses a single punch-hole design. For a flagship foldable, the hardware specifications are already more than powerful enough. What really matters is how effectively that large display is used. Simply opening the phone just to watch videos would be missing its full potential. That's where the new Atomic Workbench comes in. Previously, the serial mode made switching between multiple applications much more convenient by allowing you to focus on one primary app while keeping others ready in the background. This time, Vivo has expanded the available display space in serial mode, making multitasking even more comfortable. The biggest addition is the brand new multi-window parallel mode. Simply fold the screen slightly or swipe upward with 3 fingers, and 4 applications instantly appear side by side, making full use of the entire display. Running 4 apps at once makes viewing and managing information significantly more efficient. You can freely adjust both the size and arrangement of every window with smooth, continuous resizing. Spread 4 fingers across the display, and one application instantly expands into focus, allowing you to concentrate on that specific task. By tapping the corners of the windows, you can quickly switch between different layouts, whether you're using parallel mode or sequential mode. Every layout can also be saved with a single tap as a desktop shortcut, making it easy to reopen your preferred workspace anytime. Let's look at a few real-world examples. If you're planning a trip, you can open Dianping, Xiaohongshu, Maps, and Atomic Notes all at the same time. During a meeting, you can simultaneously run your meeting app, note-taking software, WeChat, and your documents, allowing you to listen, communicate, and take notes without constantly switching between apps. Perhaps one of the most practical uses is shopping. You can open multiple shopping platforms together and instantly compare prices to find the best deal available. Atomic Workbench is designed to adapt to different work scenarios, giving you flexible combinations depending on the task you're handling. Now let's move on to the AI features.
The first highlight is AI-powered cross-window drag and drop. Simply drag an image from your gallery, pause for a moment, and the AI instantly recognizes the content. Whether you want to extract text or translate information, everything happens quickly and automatically. For example, when filling out forms, you can drag an image of your ID card into the form and the AI automatically recognizes the information and fills it in for you. Likewise, if you drag text or an image containing a phone number directly into the Contacts app, a new contact can be created almost instantly. Another useful addition is the AI Document Manager. It intelligently organizes your files based on both the application they came from and their document type, while also providing a convenient column-style preview. This makes browsing documents feel much closer to working on a traditional computer. Sometimes document names become confusing or contain unreadable characters. The AI Document Manager can intelligently suggest better file names, automatically detect and correct text encoding, and even generate summaries for your documents. Later, when it's time to organize everything, you don't even have to do it manually. Simply tell the AI what you want, and it can automatically categorize and arrange your files, making both storage and searching much more convenient. There's also a built-in AI assistant that can quickly summarize documents and answer questions based on their contents. The Document Manager even supports desktop widgets, giving you one-tap access whenever you need it. On top of that, the AI can proactively recommend documents that may be useful based on what you're currently doing. Another impressive feature is the AI Meeting Assistant. You can assign a shortcut key to instantly start recording during meetings. While recording, the AI supports real-time speaker recognition, allowing you to tap directly on the person you want to review instead of manually searching through the recording. Finding important moments afterwards is quite efficient. The AI can also generate intelligent insights along with complete meeting summaries. It even provides 6 different summary templates to choose from, making it much faster than replaying an entire meeting when all you need are the key points. Overall, the upgraded Atomic Workbench makes both serial and parallel multitasking much more practical across a wide variety of work scenarios, helping improve productivity in everyday use. Combined with the latest AI upgrades, it transforms the Vivo X Fold 6 into a true AI-powered productivity companion. With this large foldable flagship, Vivo has taken another major step forward in bringing AI into the smartphone experience.